In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix McDonald's app payment error problem. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a first restart to your router. Next up, check your payment information. Launch McDonald's app, tap more, go to profile and select payment methods. From here you can add a new payment card or remove an existing one. McDonald's says payment information can be managed from the checkout screen. If your card is already saved but the payment keeps failing, remove the card and add it again. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV and other required information are entered correctly. If the card has expired or has been replaced by bank, add the updated card instead. You can also try another payment method. Depending on your McDonald's market and device, available options may include credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, or Venmo. McDonald's notes that payment availability can vary by region. Next thing you want to do is check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app McDonald's. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you can sign out of your account and sign back in. If the solution didn't work out for you, you can contact McDonald's support team. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.